Hi guys! Mabuhay! Kamusta po? This is your master chef, CJ.
Guys, CJ is gonna show us how to make chop suey. This is a shrimp flavor. You can use also chicken or any meat that you want to put it. But this time we will make the shrimp chop suey.
Shrimp chop suey.
First, heat up the pan, and he's going to put the oil. Yeah, once he put the oil, he's gonna add the shrimp. Once the shrimp is on the hot oil, he's going to add the onion. Any onion you can use, guys, white. Yes, guys, now once the oil is hot, he put the shrimp with the onion, and we're gonna cook for
a couple minutes.
Yes, until the shrimp it's a slightly orange or pink color. Right? Guys, we're just gonna cook slightly the shrimp because we don't wanna
overcook it.
Yes, that's right. Because once you overcook the shrimp, it's gonna turn rubberized. So we don't want that texture, okay? Our chop suey, we just put the cabbage. This is the black mushroom and the sweet pea and also the carrots. That's frozen carrots. That's what I did my carrots every time I have leftover, because most of the time it's getting rotten, so it's better to wash and cut and put on the freezer. That's what I did. You know, we don't want to waste all the time. Ayaw natin ng tapon. Kaya pag may sobrang carrots, hinihiwa ko to at nilalagay ko sa freezer. Kaya medyo ganyan. Ang chop suey, guys, pwede nyong lagyan ng sayote o hindi. Pero dahil nga wala akong sayote, tsaka hindi ako mahilig sa sayote, guys, sorry. Yun ang totoo. Ay, hindi ko siya nilalagyan ng sayote. Ito lang yung mga paborito kong gulay, guys. So, as you can see, the shrimp is almost cooked. Then we're gonna add the carrots. The master chef gonna put the carrots. Go, go, master chef! Yes. Don't worry about the carrots, guys. Kahit nagaling siya sa freezer, it wasn't gonna get top because the burn freeze, it's gonna make it soft, the carrots. And now, the master chef CJ, he gonna add some black pepper or paminta. Lalagyan na siya ng paminta, guys. Siyempre, asin or
salt.
Yes. Just a little. Yes. Konti lang. Yes, that's it. Konti lang yung asin na nilagay natin, guys, kasi it depends on you, okay? It's not depend on our taste. You're the one who's gonna eat your cook, not us. And we don't like eating salty, especially on me. I have a high blood pressure problem, so I have to be careful not to eat too salty, although I like salty food. Right, Master Chef?
Yep.
We try to eating healthy. Now, after we stir well the carrots and the shrimp and the onion, we're gonna add the, ayan, pagkatapos nating
Stir well.
pagkatapos nating haluin, ayan, ilalagay na natin ang ating, we're gonna add up the
vegetables.
Black mushroom. As you can see, guys, my black mushroom o yung tenga ng daga kung tawagin sa atin, it's a little bit frozen because, like I said, I buy lots of vegetable, but I can cook everything in once. So what I did, I wash it and put on the freezer. So at least it's still fresh. And we don't waste. Especially the black mushroom was too expensive here, guys. So mahal. Napakamahal ng itim na yung tenga ng daga kung tawagin sa atin. Ang mahal ng kabote na yan, guys, dito. Sobra. Kaso, paborito ko siya. Even Master Chef CJ, his favorite, the black mushroom, right?
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I always bought that, because he like it too. So he just gonna keep stirring this. Okay, guys, everything is almost cooked. Then we're gonna put our sweet pea. Say chicharo.
Chicharo.
Yes, that was chicharo, guys. We're gonna put the chicharo and stir. The chicharo, I don't want overcooked because I like the crunchiness from there, and it's give the taste a little bit sweet. That's why they call sweet pea in English, okay? But in my own language, Filipino, that was chicharo. And then guys, after that, we're gonna add up the broccoli and cabbage. My broccoli, guys, I already steam with the boiling water, and I soak on ice, so it's helped the texture to get crunchy. And like I said, we don't want to overcook all the vegetable. And once all the vegetable in, we're gonna add some oyster sauce. Yes, like I always said, it's depend on your taste. If you like strong taste from oyster soy sauce, then you can put more, but that's enough. But us, we don't put that much. Right, Master Chef?
Yup, I know everything.
And guys, sinalo na ni Master Chef maigi. He stir well. And we're gonna add some patis or fish sauce. Just a little. Just to give it a taste. But that was optional. If you don't want to use that, it's okay. Kung ayaw nyo gamitin yan, a little bit more. I like the taste of fish sauce. That's it. Yes. And also guys, when you make chop suey, usually some people, they using the... yung iba gumagamit sila ng slurry, yung cornstarch na tinunaw sa tubig. Ako guys, hindi. Kasi tinaray ko na yun maraming beses na umay ako. Kaya eto lang, very simple lang siya guys. Right, kay CJ? We just doing simple. And even Master Chef, he doesn't want over, powering. No, over, yeah. So, we just make it as much as we can. It's simple. And also, guys, when we make chop suey, we don't like too watery, right? Especially Master Chef, he doesn't like to a lot of soup or liquid on the food. So, he like more on dry or fried, right, Master Chef? Now, he gonna add a little water. That's it. That's all we need. And then I'm gonna doing high heat. We turn on to high heat because we want to make sure to absorb the liquid that we put in. Because like I said, I don't like too much water or liquid or soup, whatever you call that. Yeah, ayoko nang masabaw, guys. Kaya ganyan lang siya, guys. Guys, after the Master Chef stirring well, like I said, it's depend on your taste. If you want to add more black pepper or salt or fish sauce. But I like the black pepper, guys. Sorry. So I gotta, Master Chef, gonna add more.
The best.
Yes, Master Chef, always the best. Always the best. Yes. Yeah. And soon we're gonna do tiki mana. Tiki man time, right, Master Chef? Yes. Guys, you can check if it's all vegetable, it's enough cook for you, or you want just stay to like crunchy. Most of this vegetable, you don't have to cook. Actually, they use like salad, like the cabbage. Kinakain naman talaga ng hilaw yung cabbage kasi ginagawang salad siya, guys. Tapos yung carrots din, kinakain din siya ng hilaw, tsaka broccoli. Lahat naman, pera nga lang yung hipon, ha. Pero syempre, masarap pa rin yung niluluto. Kaya depende sa inyo kung gusto nyo siyang lutuin. Okay? O lutuin yung labog na lamog. Bahala kayo. Ayan. Naiga na yung sa niya, guys. Kaya luto na siya. Now, tiki man time, Master Chef. Guys, ito na yung finished product ni Master Chef. Ang kanyang niluto. Is that... Ayan na. Naluto na niya, guys. As you can see, so pretty. You did a good job, Master Chef. Ay, syempre, we're not gonna let the Master Chef to try his own food, his own cook. So he's gonna try it, guys. Tiki man time.
Tiki man time.
Yes, yo. Yeah, he tried first the shrimp because that is. Yeah. What do you think, Master Chef? This is his second time meals that he cooked. so far. What do you think, Master Chef?
It's really good. You can taste the flavor of it.
Yeah, and it wasn't that salty at all. Hindi rin siya maalat, guys. Talagang nagbe-blend. Kahit walang slurry, guys. Super yummy, right?
And taste.
Masarap.